Leave a like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds to get 10,000 free Robux on your Roblox account the next time you wake up. Yo, what's up guys, LIKE here back with a brand new Roblox video. So in today's video, I'm gonna try to get 100,000 Robux for completely free, guys. So make sure to watch this video to the end if you want to get 100,000 Robux for completely free. And make sure to leave a like on this video because I want to see how many of you guys actually want free Robux in this video. So yeah guys, apparently I found a secret method that's supposed to give you 100 free Robux. So that's what we're gonna be trying in this video. And guys, if you want 10,000 free Robux, then just remember to join my giveaway where I'm giving away 10,000 free Robux to one of you guys. And yeah, all you have to do to enter in this giveaway is you need to subscribe to my channel with post notifications turned on, leave a like on this video, and comment your Roblox username down below in the comment section so I can actually give you the Robux if you win. And remember to join my group, otherwise I won't be able to give you the Robux if you win this giveaway. And guys, just keep on watching as I'm also gonna be sharing the last video's giveaway winner later in this video. And now, let's not waste any more time because I know you guys really want to know the secret to getting 100,000 free Robux. Just keep on watching and I'm sure you're gonna find out. Okay guys, so now I've just gotten my full code after I've just completed 2 of those offers. So now I've got my code, and then you can just head to roblox.com/home. Just go to this, and then to enter our secret promo code, you need to head to this gift card section right here, guys. Just head to this. I'm sorry this is Spanish, guys, but up here it says redeem your gift card code. So just press redeem right here. And then, if you remember, I chose the $10 gift card, and as you can see, your credit balance is $5.01 right now. So I'm just gonna enter my code right now, and then you can see that I've gotten $15 right here, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna enter my code RBK762J6BA8XRX. So this is my full code, guys, and then you just need to press redeem to redeem your secret promo code, guys, to getting some free Robux. So yeah, just press redeem, and then you just need to complete this end verification step right here. So I'm just gonna skip this because I'm sure you guys do not want to see this. So yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm on my last one of these, and I'm just gonna find the one that adds up to 14. So yeah, which I think is this one right here, guys. Okay, I have to complete a little bit more. So now my last one, and I'm just gonna choose this one right here. As you can see, guys, this promo code works. As you can see, I've gotten $15 Roblox gift card. So now I have $20, guys, to go to buy some free Robux, guys. That's literally insane. So now I can just close this tab right here. As you can see, $20. So before it was only $5, guys. Just gotten $15 for free, guys. So you can just head into Robux, the Robux section up here, guys. And then we can literally buy some free Robux. So I have $20, guys. So I can literally just buy this one right here, guys, because I have premium. So I can buy 1,800 Robux. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do in this video. And then you just want to choose Roblox credit, guys, because then it recognizes that you have some money on here, guys. As you can see, it costs $20, and I'm just gonna submit my order. And boom, as you can see, purchase complete. So I'm just gonna refresh this page, go back to the home page, and I have 2,500 Robux, guys. So just to prove that this is actually real, I can just refresh the page. As you can see, I still have the Robux, and I can also just go in the avatar shop and purchase something that I like, guys. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna purchase this head right here, guys. Cartoony rainbow head, I think. So yeah, just to show that this code actually works. So I know it only costs 66 Robux, but I can still press buy. And as you can also see here, your balance after this transaction will be 2,464 Robux. I'm just gonna press buy now, and purchase complete. Boom, guys. Gonna go in my avatar to show that this actually works. As you can see right here, Cartoony rainbow head, and I can also just put it on. As you can see, this actually worked, guys. Let me just take off my hair, and let me also just take off my mask. As you can see, guys. Boom. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. That was all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to go down and leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps me out a lot. And by liking and subscribing and leaving a comment, you also entered in my giveaway for 10,000 free Robux. So it's just a win-win. Just follow the steps and you could win 10,000 free Robux in my next video, guys. And speaking of winning 10,000 free Robux, here is the last video's giveaway winner on the screen right now. So the person on the screen is the winner of 10,000 free Robux. Just make sure to join my Roblox group so I can send you the 10,000 free Robux to a Roblox account. The link to my group is in the description if you haven't joined it already. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.